It may sound contradictory that technology could positively impact our mental health. After all, 38% of adults see social media use as harmful to our well-being. It's as if we only hear about technology's negative effects, though. But even though there are challenges with how it impacts our mental health, there are also benefits. Hi everyone, I'm Matt from eTactics, and today I'm going to explain how technology helps mental health. Before we get started though, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. While you're down there, hit the dollar bill icon next to it as well, so when we post new helpful content, you get notified. The first way it helps is by improving access to professional care. There's a shortage of mental health workers across America. This is due to the growing demand for services, but fewer professionals in the field. Because of the limited access, there are new technology innovations to address this concern. Telehealth makes it easier for people to access care from anywhere. This option exploded at the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic especially. People were suffering from more isolation and couldn't access traditional services. As a result, virtual therapy and psychiatry were up 302% compared to before the pandemic. 29% of psychologists are seeing more patients overall, and 96% said that they're treating them remotely. Not only did this help during the pandemic, but it also helps solve geographical barriers. Over 115 million people live in an area where there's a shortage of professionals. But when people can access services online, they can still get the treatment that they need. Technology also makes it easier for accessing self-help tools. Besides telehealth, there are mobile apps and online programs that offer support. There are between 10,000 and 20,000 self-care apps. In 2018, Apple identified these apps as their app trend of the year. Often, these online tools are the first and only service that someone has to use for mental health support. Technology options have proven successful. Doctors even recommended online programs and apps as intervention methods. 90% of mental health app users reported increased confidence, motivation, and attitudes about their emotional health. And 53% of clients who received online counseling said that their depression became less intensive. As people recognize these positive effects of technology on mental health, there's more funding for it. Mental health is one of the fastest growing sectors of the digital health market. Because of this trend, digital behavioral health startups received $588 million in the first half of 2020. This was almost equivalent to the annual funding in any previous year. Even though people may see technology as hurting their mental well-being, it has proven positive effects. There's already a limited access to professional care, which is only expected to get worse. But online options are consistently emerging to address the shortage. This makes it easier for anyone to get help and even address their health on their own. And because more people are using these tools, the industry is getting more funding for these options. If you'd like to learn more about the benefits of technology on mental health, reach out to eTactics. And you already made this far into the video, so you might as well like it, share it, and comment below. Well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.